This is the Shark IZ862H Stratos cordless vacuum, one of the most convenient, high-performing, and trusted products today. Now I will prove it to you. Featuring CleanSense IQ, an advanced infrared sensor that detects hidden dirt and automatically boosts power for up to 50% better dirt pickup, it ensures your floors are truly clean. The real-time CleanSense IQ indicator even shows when cleaning is complete. With Hypervelocity Plus technology, it delivers the most powerful suction of any Shark cordless stick vacuum, tackling even the toughest messes. Additionally, it includes odor neutralizing cartridges to guard against bad smells, keeping your home fresh and inviting. Perfect for efficient, hassle-free cleaning.